Portugal is making headlines again on immigration policy due to new changes in family reunification rules. On June 17th, Prime Minister Luís Montenegro made a key announcement during a parliamentary debate. He confirmed that family reunification for immigrants will continue, but with a major caveat. The government plans to tighten the rules around it. Montenegro stated, "Having integrated families in Portugal is good for the economy and development. What's bad is the lack of clear rules." However, he didn't clarify what specific changes will be made, and that's causing uncertainty and concern in migrant communities. This announcement comes as Portugal processes over 440,000 pending residency applications, many of them tied to a previous system known as the expression of interest. At the same time, the country is issuing residence permits for citizens of CPLP nations, the community of Portuguese-speaking countries, which includes Brazil, Angola, and others. In a reassuring note, Cesar Teixeira, from the Agency for Integration, Migration and Asylum, stated that immigrants who were recently regularized will still be entitled to family reunification. So far, about 200,000 foreigners have already seen progress in their applications. On the CPLP front, 220,000 individuals are now eligible to apply for residence cards under European Union rules. But not everyone agrees with this approach. A petition, supported by Chega, a radical right-wing populist party, is calling for an 8-year suspension of family reunification. The petition has already gathered nearly 70,000 signatures. Its author, Tiago Pereira, claims that allowing family reunification will lead to over 500,000 new arrivals, putting pressure on housing and public services. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update on global migration news.